Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous heart-shaped gift box for Valentine's Day or for anniversary gift, and I will share from scratch how to make this beautiful intricate ornamental quilling along with this cute shaker heart inside the lid, and also I will share how to make this box from scratch in the heart shape. Isn't it looking very pretty? And I have just filled my box with some chocolates and handmade keychain. So you can put any gift whatever you want inside this. It can hold up to 500 gram weight. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 10 by 9 centimeter rough paper, folding it into half. I have created one half heart shape using pencil, and now I'm just trimming both the layers together with my scissors. I'm showing you here how to make the base for heart box. So the template is ready. Now I'm tracing this template on red color cardstock and cutting the red heart. So this is also done. Then I am taking one red strip which is 5.5 by 21 centimeters for the sides of box, and in the bottom I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now folding the crease line, and I am just trimming it in fringes or in small strips. Then taking one double-sided tacky tape and sticking it on these folded cutting strips, and again I am cutting these strips diagonally along with the sticky tape. And now folding these strips again like this and removing the liners of sticky tape. Then taking the heart base, and we'll start arranging it like this. So due to the sticky tape, it will connect immediately, and this is super duper easy. If you use liquid glue, it takes little time, but with the double-sided tape, your work will be easier. Now to complete the heart shape, I am taking one more strip which is 10 by 5.5 centimeters. Folded this in the bottom and also folded on one side so that we can connect with other part and completing the heart shape. And this is done, very easy. Then taking same size heart cut out one more time and sticking it on back side of the heart box for the finished look. And the base for the box is ready. Now to make lid, I have traced the same heart which we have cut earlier on the red paper, and by leaving 2 mm gap I have made one more heart. So we have to cut the outer heart to create the lid. Now taking 30 by 2.5 centimeter red cardstock strip, folded this in bottom at 1 centimeters, added double-sided sticky tape and cut fringes already. So it's time to construct the lid just like we made the base box. Now here I am taking one more small piece and connecting it exactly in the center to close both the sides. And the lid is also ready, so it's fitting perfectly on box and it's ready. Now adding one more big size heart shape on top of the lid for the finishing. And the heart box is completely ready. Very easy. Then here I am taking this beautiful pattern paper strip which is 30 by 4.5 centimeters, and I am sticking it on outside of the box to decorate it nicely. This is beautiful polka dot design, and I got this pattern paper from Crafters Corner. As always, I have given all the supply links in description box, and also don't forget to check the coupon codes to have extra discounts from different websites. So I have covered it fully nicely. And similarly, I have decorated the lid from inside using same pattern paper. Now it's time to decorate the lid. So first of all, I am taking here 1.5 by 30 centimeter red color cardstock strip, and I am just decorating on the edge of this lid. And this is done. So we have 0.3 mm gap all over the heart edge on top, and we will use this as the wall to arrange our tight coils. So to create tight coil, here I am taking 1/8 strip of white color in 3 mm, and similarly I have already prepared lots of tight coils. So taking back the lid, and I am going to stick these tight coils around the heart shape. So this is done, looking very pretty. Now taking red color strip and sticking it inside the tight coil heart shape like this. And then I am adding one more row of red color tight coils, which are made using 1/8 strip of red color in 3 mm. So completing it. Now taking the same template which we have cut earlier in the beginning, and I have traced one more heart in the center in smaller size, so just trimming it and tracing it on pink color cardstock. Now I am quickly cutting the pink heart shape. And I'm sticking it exactly in the center of this design. Now on the outer side of the pink heart, I am attaching one dark pink color strip. Wiping out the excess glue marks immediately using wet brush, and this is done. Then taking here one strip of light pink color in 3 mm, dividing in two parts, again folding both the layers together, dividing in two parts. So we have 4 1/4 strips. Gather it all together, fold it from center and start rotating it using pointed tweezer to make the scroll shape. Add glue at the end and just curving it little bit like this. So in the same way, I have already prepared 3 more scrolls. So in total we need 4 light pink color scrolls. Now adding glue little bit on the bottom of scroll and decorating my heart pattern. Adding 2 more scrolls like this. Then here I have already decorated the right side of the design and I am showing you the other side. So I have used simple shapes to fill the design like tight coils, some teardrop shapes using half strip and 1/4 strips, and some more scrolls using white and dark pink color strips. So first I'm adding these teardrops. Then adding one red color tight coil in the center, which is made using half strip, and on top of this I am adding 1/4 strip white color tight coils. Then adding one red strip around this. And then on top of this I am adding some leaf shapes which are made using half strip of dark pink color. And then just quickly filling the remaining part using scrolls and tight coils. So this is done, looking very pretty. Then inside this small heart I am adding light pink color tight coils, which are made using 1/8 strip of light pink color in 3 mm, and making the heart shape again. And I have added one red strip inside this. Then I am taking the same template of the smaller heart shape, and using the same design I am cutting it on acetate sheet. So I just stuck the small heart cutout on the acetate sheet using double-sided tape as a template. Now removing it, and the small cutout is ready. Now I am filling this heart using some heart-shaped shakers and some flower pearls in white color, and then adding B7000 glue on the pink tight coils and sticking my heart acetate design. Since this is transparent, so I am using here B7000 glue, and the beautiful shaker heart is ready. Very unique and very pretty. Then on the edge I am decorating the lid using this beautiful scalloped border. Here I have used dye, but you can also use any kind of border design, and I have attached the border from all the sides, and this is done. Very adorable, very attractive, very Valentine. And now I am adding some chocolates inside the box, and also putting this beautiful teddy handmade charm or keychain as a gift. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and you can try it out very soon, and I'm sure your loved one will like it very much. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.